Standard 4th Subject Mathematics. Hello student, we are going to learn first lesson of geometrical figures. There are many shapes of geometrical figures we see in these pictures. We will learn about an angle. What is an angle? In our surrounding, wherever we see two lines meeting, there is an angle. Now we see the examples of angle. In this picture, we see angles between the ground and the slides. In this tree, we see the angles between the tree trunk and its branches. In this picture, there is an angle between the electric pole and the ground. There are three types of an angle. First, a right angle. Second, an acute angle. Third, an obtuse angle. First of all, we see the information about right angle. Right angle is an angle that measures exactly in 90 degree. Examples of right angle: window, clock and stairs. Now we are going to learn about an acute angle. An acute angle is an angle which is measuring less than 90 degree. This angle is smaller than right angle. Example: scissor, watermelon and clock. Next angle is an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is an angle which is measuring greater than 90 degree. This angle is greater than right angle. Examples are laptop, holy book stand and clock. Now student, observe the figures below and name the angles: acute angle, right angles and obtuse angle. Now we learn about the circle. The example of circles: bangle, wheel and the ball. All the above objects are circular. We learn in detail. Center, the point at which lines meet each other, is the center of the circle. Radius, name the center of the circle O. Take any point P on the circle. Draw the line OP. OP is a radius of a circle. Diameter. Diameter is the line which divides the circle into two equal parts. This line is called a diameter of the circle. The diameter 2 is a chord of the circle. Chord. Chord is the segment which does not touch to the center of the circle. It connects any 2 points on the circle. Student, name the circle correctly: center, chord, diameter, radius.